Hello, Glam Squad. It's me, Gigi. And recently I asked on the community tab if you would like me to swatch either Beetles or a Savalon set. And the resounding votes of 4 people said Beetles. So Beetles it is. And kind of a controversial brand. As you can see, I have a set from Beetles from a while back, couple, 3, 4 years ago. I don't remember exactly. And I don't use it a lot because I didn't like it. I didn't like the formula. It was kind of gloopy and separated a lot, and I didn't enjoy it. So I don't use it that frequently. But I was gifted this set. Let's take a look at the box. This is all the sides to the box. Um, so I was gifted this for my birthday, which was last month, and I decided we would swatch it together and see if anything has changed. And we will discover that together in the next few minutes. So this is the Beatles box. I have already actually taken the polish out. Look at how that's hollow, how the Beatles name is hollow. I love that. Here are the polishes. They are minis. Here is the booklet. Go ahead and screenshot that now if you want to see what it says. All the instructions and ingredients and things to look out for and how to remove, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get started with the swatching. They gave us full size base coat, top coat, and matte top coat, which is nice because when they're minis, you go through them so fast that you're never going to have enough to use with all the polish. I'm not sure if this would translate to enough, but it is a lot. So that's good. That's good. And looking at it, it has a nice thick drip on the base coat, which is what you want. You want it to have a little thickness to it because it helps smooth things out and get you ready for whatever the next step is. And in this case, the next step, of course, will be polish. But you can use a base coat with gel and polygel as well. So I have not used this except for in this experiment, so I can't speak to how good it works. But it's nice and clear, very thick, and it applied beautifully. Now, I just wanted to show you what the bottles look like. They're this sort of square shape, but it flares up. And this green color would have been really nice for Christmas. I wish I had opened this pack and done a Christmas set because my birthday's a week before Christmas. So I wish I'd done that, but I didn't. I didn't. It's a really pretty green color. And I want to tell you as I'm applying the polish, it's nice. It's not gloopy, it's not thick, which that's one of my things about gel polish. I like it to be to have a good consistency, to not be super thick. You don't want it to be too thin either, but at the same time, if it's really thick, it leaves a lot of lines, it leaves texture. It can have a lot of bubbling after because it doesn't cure all the way, that wrinkling that you get. So I like a nice consistent thickness to the polish, or thinness rather, I guess I would say. All of these colors are super pretty. I really like this milky yellow color. Look how pretty that is. Now I just thought on this first set that we did, we would top coat them. I'm just going to do a couple here. That brush was really juicy, so it allowed me to do all 3 of these nails. The top coat, again, is really nice. It's a little bit thinner than the base coat, which is nice, I think, and very clear and cured up very nicely. So, and you'll see that all at the end. Now we're on to the second row, and this is a real pretty purple that I have already in my collection, that purple. And honestly, I definitely have an orange like this. It's sort of a browny orange. Like it's not orange, it's not bright orange. It's got like brown undertones to it, I think. Maybe it's more yellow than red. Maybe that's what it is. It's not my favorite orange, but I like it. this blue though. Guys. Oh, be still my heart. This blue is just gorgeous. We only got 3 glitters in this set. All of them just stunning. I personally cannot wait to wear them. They are beautiful. Very Tiffany on the blue here. Really like this. Super cute. Very nice for spring. There's a lot of spring colors in here, but there was actually a lot of wintry things too. There's a couple of Christmassy things. There's a red that would be very nice for Christmas, but this is a very like wintry color or spring color. I think this would work really well for any of that. Now I thought we would do the matte top coat on some of these just to see how it looks. And I do actually matte top coat that blue one, which you can see here. But then I was like, no. And I went on ahead and made it shiny because look how pretty that was. So here is one of the other glitters, which is this purple, which if you know me, you know that's my color. Purple's my color. I'm actually about to dye my hair in a purpley fashion. So I'll have to give you guys a picture of that when it's done. And then here's this coppery, deep reddy coppery color. And I don't think that the camera is doing it justice. It is stunning. It is just a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And that second coat just brings it right out. Oh. I'm not even a red girly, but I need to wear that. This is the one color I don't like. Here we are. Look at that. You can see that it's gloopy. This white is not my favorite. It was the one note in this whole Color Story song that went as opposed to ah. I don't like that white. It was the only one that upset me. Every other formula in this particular set, I was so pleased with. I enjoyed so much. But that white, no. I'm not sure what happened with that. If they just didn't have good pigments or didn't... I don't know what was wrong with the formula there. I don't like it. Look at that indigo. Oh, that's a rich and beautiful color. Makes me want to do a chakra set. Wouldn't that be awesome? I'm going to put that on the list because that needs to happen. When I'm overwhelmed, I like to focus on my chakras because it helps center me, right? That green is real pretty, and that's going to be nice for springtime as well. Love it. There were a couple that I know you couldn't see the numbers, and I apologize for that. But there is a picture of all of them, so you can definitely figure out which number was which. If you just, take a quick gander, no big deal. Here's that red. Look at that. That is so pretty. It's like tomato-y red. It's so pretty. That would be nice for Christmas, though. Super nice. But we would make some pretty flowers for springtime, too. I almost said fall. Maybe red leaves for springtime. And here is a yellow that is really pretty. Not too bright. A lot of times when you get a yellow in a set, it's so bright you just don't know what to do with it. But this one is going to be perfect for springtime coming up. And I would think even summer. Here is all 20 colors. I really like this set minus the white. I thought it came out pretty. I thought they were really nice. I'm going to go ahead and say I'm jumping on the Beetles bandwagon because I know a lot of people love Beetles, and I was not one of them for a long time. But this set may have converted me into a fan. Guys, let me know what you think about Beetles in the comment section. Do you think that this might change your mind if you tried a set like this, if you didn't like Beetles before? And if you are a Beetles fan, does this just keep you coming back for more? Guys, thank you so much for watching. We are going to see you in the next video for some more nail art. And we do have that Savalon set to swatch soon. So definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. See you next time. Bye-bye.